Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. A and B are sisters. M is the mother of J. If A's daughter is M, what is the relation of B's grandson to J? So let's uh, draw a tree here. A and B are sisters. M is the mother of J. So let's write mother M. Daughter or son? I will write child. Let's remove this. Child is J. If A's daughter is M, now this is grandmother. Grandmother. A's daughter is M. M's daughter or son, that is child, is J. And A and B are sisters, so they are from sisters. They are from same set of parents. So A and B are sisters. So what is the relation of B's grandson? So B's grandson, this is again grandmother, and there must be some mother or father link here. And grandson is what is the relation of B's grandson to J? So these two must be cousins because they are related to each other through their grandmothers. So they must be cousins. So answer is option B.